Well, hello there, YouTube. As promised, today's Thanksgiving Day. I changed my oil in both cars. So I spilled a little oil, so we're going to see how this stuff works. I'll have to hose it off, but you can see I spilled a little everywhere. But it's kind of eating it off, which is kind of good. Okay, we got more over here. So I'm going to let it sit there. You can see it's kind of foaming up. I'm going to let it sit there, and then I'll hose it off. I don't know, probably won't get it all, but even my footprints where I stepped in the oil. Yep, you can see it foaming up. So I think it's going to work great. So I am going to let that sit there. You can see where I sprayed it. I'm going to let it sit there for a minute, and then I'm going to hose it off, and I'll turn it, and once it dries, I'll come back out. Okay, looks like my driveway dried. Looks like I missed a couple spots when I sprayed it, but all the oil's gone. I missed a spot over here too, so I'll spray it again. Oh, I missed a couple spots. Unless it's just, it can't still be wet. I missed a few spots when I sprayed it, but what I sprayed is gone. The oil's gone, which is cool. So I'm going to come back out and spray that again, because it looks like I missed it. I missed a couple spots over here that I didn't spray. And a couple spots right there that I didn't spray. But everything right here is gone. So on this video, just comment super clean me, and we'll get some more stuff sent out. I'll do a random picker. Thanks. Bye.